Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I might be stuck. Oh gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am honestly so excited to bring this video to you. I have wet hair right now. I don't know if you can tell, maybe I just look like I have greasy hair, but it's wet. I'm just gonna assure you of that one. And today we're doing a first impressions of the Dyson Airwrap. Oh. So basically I have been trying to get my hands on this baby for like 3 years. I don't know how long it's been out, but however long it's been out, and the situation has either been that it's out of stock and I can't buy it because it's out of stock, or it's been because I haven't had enough money to buy it, because obviously a little bit pricey. I think we can all agree on that one. And I am over the moon that I've finally been able to get it. I managed to get it on the Boots website. It had a restock yesterday. They had like 100 or so in stock, and I managed to get one, which I'm so excited about. And I think we're just gonna get into it because I've been waiting all day to film this video, and my excitement is gonna get the better of me if I don't continue. So let's get into it. Okay, so I unboxed it earlier because I was gonna do it on camera, but guess who couldn't wait? Because who's the most impatient person? I think it's definitely me. So it comes in this gigantic, heavy leather case, and I don't know if it's real leather or not, but satisfying. So if I can hold it up without dropping it, we have a little magnetic clasp, and it opens to reveal some warranty information.
Wonderful.
And a heat mat, which I don't think we really ever need because it doesn't really get that hot. I may or may not have had a little practice earlier. Shh. So we have a heat mat. I'm probably never going to use it. And then we have all the little stuff. I'm going to stop waffling. So I've had my hair wet for approximately about 3 hours, and it's like getting more dry by the minute, and I think I need to do something about it. So I have 2 styling products. I've got some argan oil that I'm going to pop in my damp ends, and I've got some mousse because apparently mousse like holds the curls better. I've heard that sometimes with the Airwrap people struggle to keep their curls in. I don't know if that's just because their hair is like mine and it's stupid and it doesn't hold curls, or it's just because maybe because it's air and it's not heat really, it just slips out. But either way, we're going to try and maximise the lasting time as much as we can. So I'm just putting some oil in my hair and trying to make it look a little bit less bedraggled. So I'm just going to grab some mousse, and it's a disgusting red can and I don't like it at all, but why are you not coming out? Okay, that's probably enough mousse because I always go overboard with mousse. So I'm just going to... I just dropped my microphone like an absolute knob. I'm just going to run this mousse through my hair to give it lasting power, hopefully. I usually hate the idea of mousse, but we're going to go with it. We have the long wand. I'm going to go and plug this in. It like vibrates when you turn it off. That's so strange. Okay, so I've watched other people's tutorials and they always say that it's better to use the hair drying attachment first to basically dry the majority of this, like the roots, because you don't really want to start with like wet hair, and I still think mine's a bit too damp considering it looks really dark on camera. So we're gonna try hair drying it first. I'm gonna use my wet brush with it as well. By the way guys, this is like the best hairbrush ever. It does not pull on your hair at all. Wrong way. Okay, so my hair at the top is very dry now. The ends are still quite damp because that's apparently what you're meant to do. So I'm just gonna part my hair because I feel like I'm gonna get confused if I don't, to be honest. So I'm gonna go about this like I'm curling my hair as usual. So far my impressions on the hairdryer is that I literally think it's so cool. It dried my hair really fast, and it's not very like powerful in the sense like it doesn't blow you across the room when you try and blow dry your hair, and it doesn't get really hot either. Like when I was just holding it, like I wasn't burning myself, which I usually do on my normal hairdryer. And just for reference, if anyone cares, I did get the long one. All the people that use the short ones have hair like here and above, so I thought it was probably better I just got the wrong one. So they say the arrow is meant to face away from your face, so that should be away, and that should also be away. So we're gonna start with the right hand side, I think. I'm gonna brush my hair before I start this because I just don't trust it to not look like a bird's nest. Gonna put the attachment on. And what people say to do is to basically blast your hair with warmth first and then blast it with cold, so it kind of sets the curl. I'm gonna take this much hair. Is that too much? Probably. We'll find out, basically. Okay, so you're meant to hold it halfway, turn on the Airwrap, and it sucks the hair up, apparently. Okay, so hold it for 10 seconds and then blast with cool. I'm blasting it with cool now. I don't know if you can hear me. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. I'm really scared. Am I stuck? I think I might be stuck. Oh gosh. Have I seriously got stuck to this thing? Oh my god! Oh, my hair's dry and it's curly. Okay, we're gonna go for another section and then I'll leave you guys until I get to the other side of my head because I'm just gonna waffle too much and this video will end up being like 30 hours long, so here we go. I'm gonna take a smaller section this time because I don't know if the other one's gonna stay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Can you tell I'm excited about this, by the way? Oh, that's so cute. I love the curls so much. Okay, so I have done this whole side and some of it's kind of come out a bit because I'm a bit of a noob at this. These curls are so cute, but I like missed a bit here. I think I'm gonna try and do this now. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the next side of hair. I'm gonna change my barrel. Okay, to be fair, this has got quite hot now. I can still touch it. It's not like burning hot, but it's still quite hot, so I understand the heat map bit now. Okay, so I'm going to use the other attachment now and we're going to see how this goes. Also, bear in mind guys, I literally am looking in the viewfinder to do this. I'm not using a mirror, so I'm sure if I was using a mirror it'd probably be better. So if it does look horrendous, then I'm only going to find out in post-editing. I feel like this side went so much better than the other side, but they both look incredible. Like, it looks so natural. I literally can't get over it. It looks like this is my natural hair and I honestly wish it was. I think I might go in at the end and redo this section because it did kind of drop because I didn't do it very well. So I'm just gonna tie these back and do the top section. Okay, I'm gonna do all of the top section and I'll get back to you again with the final result. Okay, so this is the finished result. I am absolutely over the moon. I'm gonna go and grab some hairspray for a second before all my curls decide to go, because my hair is the worst hair for holding curls. So as always, I use the L'Oreal Elnet setting spray. Setting spray? We aren't doing makeup. You can see my brain is in the makeup drawer over there. Hairspray, I meant. Hairspray. Every time. Ice cream. Anyone ice cream? There's an ice cream van outside. So the verdict is, this is the best money I think I've ever spent on a hair tool, and I think everything else has got to go now. Considering this is everything in one, I'm absolutely, I don't even know, I don't have words at this point. I'm so glad you guys got to share this exciting moment with me. I literally feel like I've just given birth, and this is my baby. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me to see more from me in the future, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload. Stay safe, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!